Hello friends, my name is Ria. Today, let us learn about my body. My body is amazing. Let me show you my body parts.
These are my eyes. I see with my eyes. I can see you. This is my nose. I smell with my nose. Nice smell. This is my mouth. I talk and smile. I eat yummy food with my mouth. These are my hands. I do work with my hands. I clap with my hands. This is my stomach. My food goes here. It helps me grow strong. These are my legs. I walk and run with the help of my legs.
Very good, children. You learned about our body parts today. Eyes help us see. Nose helps us smell. Mouth helps us eat and talk. Hands help us work. Legs help us walk. Stomach helps us grow. Very good, children.
Hello, friends. How are you today? Today, we will learn about our eyes. Let's start. These are my eyes. I use my eyes to see. I see my books. I see my toys. My eyes help me see the world. These are my eyebrows. They are above my eyes. They stop sweat. They keep my eyes safe. These are my eyelashes. They are small and soft. They stop dust and dirt. They protect my eyes. These are my eyelids. They open and close. They help me blink. They give rest to my eyes.
Very good, children. Our eyes are very important. Eyebrows, eyelashes, and eyelids help to protect our eyes. Let us take care of them. Wash your face every day. Do not rub your eyes. Eat healthy food. Keep your eyes happy. Good job, children. Today you learned about eyes.
Hello, friends. Are you ready to play? Today, I have a fun game. Big and small. Let's go!
Hello! I am big! I am strong! I can hold many things!
Hi! I am small. I am tiny. I am little and cute. I am a big pig. I eat many coins. Cling, cling. I am a small pig. I eat few coins. Ting, ting. Wow! One is big. One is small.
Wow, children! You are learning so well. Big means very big. Small means very little. Let's play. Is this big? Say big. Is this small? Say is small. Excellent, children. Today we learned big and small.
The Thirsty Crow. Once, a crow was very thirsty. The crow searched for water everywhere.
Caw, caw, caw.
At last he saw a pot with very little water in it. He put his beak inside. But he could not reach down the water. The crow thought of a plan. He picked some pebbles and dropped them into the pot, one by one. The water level rose. The crow drank the water and flew away happily. Moral of the story: think and work hard. You may find solution to any problem.
Hello, friends. Today, let us learn about our ears. Ears help us to hear. These are my ears. I have 2 ears, one on this side and one on that side. Look here. This is my earlobe. It is soft and small.
It is at the bottom of my ear. Meow, meow. Listen, the cat says meow. I hear it with my ears.
Very good, children. Our ears help us to hear clearly. They help us listen to friends and teachers. We must keep our ears clean and safe. Today we learned about ears. Take care of your ears.
Hello friends! Today, let us learn about our tongue. It helps us taste food. This is my tongue. It is inside my mouth. I use it every day. My tongue tells me how food tastes. Ice cream is sweet. Orange is sour. Chips are salty. Oh, this bitter gourd is bitter.
Very good, children. Our tongue helps us taste food. It tells us if food is sweet, sour, salty, or bitter. It also helps us speak clearly. Take care of your tongue, children. Eat healthy food. Chew slowly. Keep your mouth clean. Good job, children.
Hello, friends. Today I went to a farm. I saw many things. Let us find number 1. Look carefully. What do you see? I see one cat. Meow, meow. I am one cat. There is only one cat. Not 2, not 3, only 1. Meow, meow. That is number 1.
Very good, children. You saw one cat. When there is only one thing, we say one. One means only one. Look here. This is number 1. Say with me. 1. Number 1. Great job, children. Today you learned number 1.
Hello, children. I am letter L. I stand tall and straight. Let's meet my friends.
Hello. I am a lion. I am the king of animals.
Hi, friends. I am a lemon. I am yellow in color. I taste sour. Hello. I am a leaf. I grow on trees. I help plants breathe.
Hi, I am a log. I come from a tree. I help make fire.
Hello, friends. I am a ladybug. I am red with black dots. I am very small and cute. Hi, I am a lock. I keep things safe. I open with a key. Hello, I am a lamp. I give light. I help you read at night. Hi, friends. I am a lamb. I am baby sheep. I am soft and gentle. I love to play.
Very good, children. Today we learned letter L. L for lion, a strong jungle animal. L for yellow fruit. L for leaf, it grows on trees. L for log, it comes from wood. L for ladybug, a small red insect. L for lock, it keeps things safe. L for lamp, it gives us light. L for lamb, a baby sheep. You did a great job, children. Keep learning letters.